Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a simple Vinca plant into a beautiful bonsai tree. If you've ever wanted to dive into the art of bonsai, this guide is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Step 1. Selecting your Vinca plant. Start by choosing a healthy Vinca with a robust root system and good branch structure. The right plant will make the shaping process easier and more rewarding. Step 2. Preparing the plant. First, carefully remove your Vinca from its pot and trim the roots to fit a shallow bonsai pot. Use well-draining bonsai soil, which usually includes macadamia, pumice, and fine gravel, to create the perfect environment for your new bonsai. Step 3. Shaping your bonsai. Begin shaping your bonsai by pruning away any large or misplaced branches. You want to create a visually pleasing line from the base to the top. To guide the branches into the desired shape, gently wrap bonsai wire around them. Bend the branches slowly to avoid breaking them and adjust over time to achieve balance and symmetry. Step 4. Care and maintenance. Your Vinca bonsai needs just the right amount of water. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place your bonsai in a spot with indirect sunlight and feed it monthly during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Regular pruning is essential to maintain its miniature size and beautiful shape. Step 5. Watch for pests and diseases. Monitor your bonsai for pests like aphids or signs of disease, especially in humid environments. Regular checks will help keep your bonsai healthy and thriving. Step 6. Seasonal adjustments. Adjust your care routine according to the season. In winter, your Vinca may need protection from cold temperatures, while in the growing season, it will require more frequent watering and fertilization. With a little care and attention, your Vinca bonsai will reward you with beautiful flowers and lush growth. This project is a wonderful introduction to the world of bonsai, offering both a creative outlet and a way to bring a touch of nature into your home. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your bonsai journey in the comments below. Happy gardening!